Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sila Biolabs. Today we will be discussing the showdown Shark vs Humans, of course by Dr. Sila Sajjad-Ali. What we will be discussing? We will be discussing the shark teeth vs the human teeth. The shark teeth, they are pointed, made of dentine, and they are replaced continuously. They have got multiple rows and multiple sets. The human teeth, you can see, we have got incisor, canines, premolar and molars. We have got varied shapes. Of course, the shapes are there. There's a lot of shape variation, you can see. They are made up of 3 layers, of course, enamel, dentine and pulp. We will be discussing it later on. And we have the set designed for biting, chewing and grinding. The shark teeth, they are cavity proof. They are immune to cavity. They didn't get any cavities. You know why? Because the shark teeth are made up of fluoroapatite crystals, a mineral that is more resistant to acid as compared to the hydroxyapatite crystals. The crystals made human teeth. And you can see the crystal lattice here. It has got more space. That is, we have got the hydroxyapatite crystals that is more porous. But in the fluoroapatite crystals, you can see there are no pores. It's less porous. And in shark teeth, there is a belt, 2 belts, one front and one backward. Okay? When the front one teeth falls off, the posterior teeth, just behind it, it moves forward and takes its place. That's why there's continuous replacement of the shark teeth. That is, a worn or damaged tooth is always replaced. But in humans, we have got only 2 sets of teeth. And we are more prone to cavities because it's more porous, right? And acid can attack. Acid can attack more. When we eat sugar, those sugar plus bacteria, it makes acid. There's a bacteria in our mouth, the harmful bacteria and the useful bacteria. Okay, so they make acid. The harmful bacteria is Streptococcus mutans. They produce acid and damages our enamel. That is the outer layer of the teeth, and it causes cavities. Hydroxyapatite crystal dissolves in acid, leading to demineralization, that is destruction of the tooth. When that happens, when the pH drops below 5.5, the enamel starts to dissolve. Okay, when we take more sugary items, more soda and more that-like things, the pH drops down. When the pH drops down, the enamel, starts dissolving. The shark diet. It eats proteins diet, no sugar, so fewer acid attack, of course. They are more acid resistant because it has got fluoroapatite crystals. You know, when we go to dentist, of course, when the patients came to us, we say that use fluoride toothpaste. Why we just do say that? We say that because the fluoroapatite crystal, it is more resistant. It's like a shield. Okay? When we use the fluoride toothpaste, the hydro portion of the tooth, this in the enamel, it replaces itself by fluoride. So hydroxyapatite, it is transformed into fluoroapatite. Fluoroapatite, it is more resistant, right? Are you with me? So convert enamel into stronger acid resistant. That is fluoroapatite. Okay, when the tooth fell off, the human starts crying, but when the shark teeth falls off, it's her It is still happy swimming in the sea, right? Why this happens, I will show you. Shark can lose teeth easily without crying. Why? Because shark tooth is just here, loosely sitting on the gums. It has got no roots, no roots. But the human tooth, it has got roots embedded in the bone. You can see. That's why when we lose our tooth, or when the dentist pull it out, it hurts because it's in the jawbone, right? But in the shark, you can see it just loosely sits on the gums. And when it goes off, the posterior one, it comes forward like this. Like this is dropping off. We've got this is do. The one is dropping off, the other one is taking its place. Like this. Okay? If you look closely at the edge of the shark tooth, it is not smooth. You can see it's like a knife. It's got edges like a knife. You can see. And the inner surface is smooth. That the knife portion, it helps the shark in slicing. In the smooth portion, the food doesn't stick. Okay? The real biological secret. The shark teeth is made up of fluoroapatite crystals and it is less porous. On the other hand, the human teeth, it is made up of hydroxyapatite crystals and it is made up of pores. So acid attack on the fluoroapatite crystal is less. And the acid attack on the hydroxyapatite crystal is more. Okay? The crystal lattice, as I have shown you before, you can see the fluoroapatite crystal, it is less porous, and the hydroxyapatite crystal, it is more porous. So the shark doesn't have any cavities. It is 100% cavity proof. Pure fluoride surface. So you should use fluoride toothpaste. It will also transform your teeth from hydroxyapatite to fluoroapatite, and your teeth will be like shark teeth, more resistant to acid, more resistant to cavities. No, it is not like that shark has teeth superior to us. No way. Human teeth are amazing but vulnerable. We have got 3 layers. The outer one is enamel, the yellow is dentine, and beneath it is the soft pulp. In the pulp, we have got innervation of veins. Okay? Our teeth are also amazing. We have got 3 layers: enamel, dentine, and pulp. Enamel, this is the outer portion of our tooth, and it is the hardest substance in our body. Dentine, the yellow layer beneath the enamel, it's not that hard, but it supports your tooth. And the softer portion is the pulp, where the nerve and vessels are. So, this is the outer portion, enamel, then the dentine, and here is the pulp. The enamel, dentine, and pulp, they work together to keep our teeth strong and healthy. How does cavity occur? It is the process of demineralization, this is destruction. When the acid enters the mouth, the calcium, you can see the outer portion, that is the enamel. It is made up of calcium and phosphate. So the lattice of the crystals, it's weakened because of the acid. Now, I will be showing you the tiny hidden enemy living in our mouth. That is the Streptococcus mutans. Okay, these tiny monsters live in the plaque. What is the plaque? It is the layer formed immediately some minutes after eating. Okay, the tiny monsters live in the plaque and constantly they are looking for a meal. What meal they love? Okay. These are actually the harmful bacteria that love sugar and starch. They live in the plaque. As I told you, what is plaque? That builds up on the teeth. It's just a layer, especially after eating. And what does the Streptococcus mutans want? Yeah, they want, just like you, donuts, cookies, and the soda drinks. And what is their problem actually? When they eat, they make acid. When they make acid, that acid attacks your teeth. Okay, what is your favorite sugar meal? The sugar meal the Streptococcus mutants also love, right? Soda, cookies, chocolates. So Streptococcus mutans lands on your teeth. They love sugar from candy, soda, and the starchy food. The acid is formed. They turn sugar into acid and attacks the enamel. When they attack the enamel, the cavities are formed. So protect your tooth from cavities through brushing, floss, and also limit the sugary intake. So Streptococcus, they will stay away. Okay, the dangerous part is when we eat sugar, sprays acid on your teeth, lowering the pH. I told you that when the pH is below 5.5, the sugar acid can attack. But when it's above 5.5, it cannot. Okay? So when we eat sugar, sucrose from the food, drink food, your treat. The mouth bacteria feed on the sugar, breaking it down, and the acid is sprayed on the teeth. Yes, acid is sprayed on the teeth. pH drops, and the cavity is formed. You can see the porous portion, outer portion, enamel. This is the microscopic view. The cavities is formed. The process begins within minutes of eating sugar and repeats every time you consume it. The process is called demineralization. That is the destruction of our teeth. Your tooth structure is melting from inside out. Bacterial acid dissolves enamel, forcing essential minerals like calcium and phosphate to fly out from the tooth. If this attack goes too far, demineralization wins. Yes, the Streptococcus mutants, they wins. First, tiny invisible weak spot forms, then it turns into a black spot and finally breaks open into a permanent cavity hole. So brush, floss, and limit the sugar to stop the acid attack. Protect your smile every day. Okay, but wait. When the villain comes, the hero should also come. So, our superhero, saliva. Saliva acts like a washing machine. It cleans away food, neutralizes the dangerous acid, and is packed with fresh phosphate and calcium minerals. It will wash away. The saliva is saying, I clean, I protect, and I rebuild. It cleans away the food, neutralizes acid, delivers calcium, and delivers phosphate. Saliva work hard for you 24/7. So drink water, stay hydrated, and let your superhero keep your smile strong. The process of destruction, that is demineralization, there is also the opposite, the remineralization. Saliva pushes the remineralization by giving us the lost calcium and phosphate that is lost from our tooth. Saliva triggers the opposite process, that is the remineralization. Saliva pushes the lost calcium and phosphate minerals back into the enamel, repairing tooth naturally. What the saliva is doing? It is pushing calcium and phosphate again to tooth towards remineralization. It is making it. Demineralization acid is removing calcium and phosphate. The saliva, what is doing? It is bringing calcium and phosphate now towards the head. Demineralization, acid removes minerals from the tooth. Too much acid, tooth decay. Enough saliva, so strong teeth. So there is continuous war going on. There is continuous war going on between the process of demineralization and remineralization. Okay, 24 hours a day. Inside your mouth, demineralization tries to tear your teeth while the remineralization tries to rebuild them. So the balance determines your dental health. There is a tug of war going on between demineralization and the remineralization. The demineralization, more sugary intakes, more sodas. The calcium is going out. And the remineralization, the saliva is pushing calcium and phosphate back. But we have to hydrate ourselves. We have to drink more water. Minerals are replaced as fast as they are lost. Enamel stays strong. You win the strong, healthy smile. But when the acid attack is too long, more minerals are lost than replaced. Enamel weakens and cavity is formed. You lose your tooth and it's permanent. So eat less sugar, drink more water, brush twice daily, floss, and visit your dentist regularly. Strong teeth are built in the moment. You can't see because there is continuous war going on in our tooth. So how do humans tip the scale and get a shark-like protection? So brush your teeth with a fluoride toothpaste. So your porous enamel creating a strong defensive shield. Hydroxyapatite, it is replaced by fluoroapatite. And fluoroapatite is more resistant to acid, right? So enamel is porous. You can see fluoride toothpaste we are using. And the fluoride toothpaste, it binds with the apatite crystals, turning it into hydroxyapatite, from hydroxyapatite to fluoroapatite crystals. So daily brushing, stronger enamel, better health and healthier smiles. I will be showing you the science behind it. Look, the calcium, phosphate and hydroxyapatite. When we use the fluoride toothpaste, hydrocrystals, they are replaced and OH is replaced with fluoride and fluoroapatite crystals are formed. Okay, they are more stronger. But it doesn't mean that you can use only fluoride toothpaste and eat a lot of sugars and sodas, drinks. No, you have to reduce the sugary intake to help your saliva win the battle and minimize the sticky sugars like sodas and candies that feed the bacteria. Instead, choose crunchy vegetables, cheese, and drink plenty of water to keep your mouth clean and mineral rich. To help your saliva win the battle, make smart choices every day. Minimizes the sugary intake that feed the bacteria, sodas, candies, sweets. Sugar fuels bacteria. Bacteria make acids and acid attack the enamel, that is our tooth, outer layer, and the cavities are formed. Saliva, natural defense system, washes away the bacteria and food, neutralizes acid, rebuilds and protects the enamel. So instead of choosing cucumber, carrots, crunchy vegetables, cheese and drink plenty of water. These choices help saliva to do its job and keep your enamel strong. Eat smart, drink water, let saliva protect strong, healthy smile. Confident you. So my prescription from Dr. Silla Biolabs is simple. Simple as this. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day to build your own shark-like teeth. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want to stay with me. See you in the next experiment. Brush your teeth 2 times daily for 2 minutes. Round and round. Build like shark-like teeth, like your own. Okay? And if you like it, kindly like it, subscribe it, and stay with me on Dr. Sila Biolabs. I hope you will love it. I hope you get the information, and I love you all. And if you have any problems, you can comment me. I will be here to answer you. Okay? Stay healthy. Love you all.